Well, fam, back at it again. Today is April 6th, 4:02 p.m. It's a beautiful Sunday. Continue. Right now I am working on like dealing with arrays, learning about linked lists, like just basic data structure stuff. I'm still not familiar with how to deal with the array data type in C++, but I'm learning about that. I have a homework coming up that needs me to do that. So I'm learning about that. So yeah, let's get into it. Um, Today we're working on 258. Add digits. Okay. Given an integer num, repeatedly add all its digits until the result has only one digit and return it. Okay, so 38 is 3 plus 8. That becomes 11, and then 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay. So naturally, the only possible answers are 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, right? And then if number is equals to 0, then you return 0. All right, that's the first thing. And then what I'm thinking of is something mod, right? So let's say num mod the power of 10, right? I number of 10 I, right? And then I will start from something. I will start from uh I will start from 1. So you get the digits place, right? So as you get 8, and then you do it again until and I becomes 2, and then uh I becomes 2, this divided by 100, then divide. Divide by 10, then you get 3. Divide by 100, then you get whatever, right? Yep. Okay, so digits place. Digits you'll get by mod by 10, right? Yep. This is the digits place. And then the hundreds place, all other digits I will get by while uh while let's say it's like this. Then I will get 8, and then I will get 3, and I'll get 1, and I'll add them all together, and then there will be 12. Right? So it's 8 plus 3 plus 11. So I can add these two together first, right? Yep. Um, and then while sum is 0, and then while sum is equals to mm, mm, is 0 is let's initialize to false, right? zero. Well, it's not zero. Um, then it will be num divided by and I will be 1. Num divided by power 10. Like, what I call it? A number, I guess. And then this will be sum. Okay, this is a pretty stupid idea, I feel. Because you can do it in constant time. So 3 plus 1, how do I do it in constant time? 3 plus 8. Let's say 120. Let's say it's that. Then I know this will be 0. 2 plus 4 will be 6, so it's only 6. Right? No, so it's 10. So it's going to be 16. It's going to be 16. And then the answer is going to be 7. Answer is going to be what? 12 is going to be 3. And then the 38 answer is going to be what? 2. Without any loop or recursion. Ah, I'm thinking about turning it into binary and then what? Mm, let's just implement this first. So I can, like, at least I did it. Is 0, int is 1, while the sum is not 0, number equals to this, and the sum should be equals to sum should be equal to equals to 0, then 0 will be set to true, and then continue.等于 digits. And then if sum divided by 10 is equals to 0, meaning it has only one digit, then return sum. Else, um, put this in a loop, right? I honestly don't really know if this is right. Fuck am I doing? Okay, so if n equals 0, then you return 0. And then I have a sum here. I have a sum here. Okay. And then while sum is bigger than 0, which is not, uh, while sum is not equal to 0, which it is, only one number left. True, false. All right. Okay, there's the digits place. And then a 0. The fuck? And then in I, okay, while it is not 0, the number of that digit will become I honestly can't really think today. Jesus. Okay. Start again. There is only one number left. Well, wow, right? Okay, and then if and then num's digit equals to what? Equals to num mod 10, right? Yep. And then all digits summed together equals to 0, okay? Sample will equals to, so this is what the digits added. And then what else do I have to add? Will equals to num divided by 10, right? And this loops, this loops, this loops, this loops. A while num divided by power 10 to the power of I is not equals to 0. And I is 1. So, hello, 我做嘢喎，嚟吧，你打俾爸爸。OK，bye。So temporary plus, I have the digits, I have the tenths, and then I'm plus now. While number divided by 10 is not 0, I will add divided by 100 is 0, so that means there's no more digits, right? Right. So it's that. Okay, so now I have temporary. And then of temporary, If temporary divided by 10 equals to 0, then I will return temporary. Else, then only one number left will be equals to true, and then I will continue this, and then it will break this while loop. Break this while loop, and then I will return temporary here, right? But if temporary still has digits, then what happens? Then this will reinitialize temporary. Num equals the new temporary. I don't know if this is right. Oh, oh, what the fuck? I actually got it. Oh, this is so shit though. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, that's the wrong answer. Test case passed. Logic is absolutely trash. I don't know what's going on. Max number of digits I can get is I don't really know. I don't really know. I don't really know. Sam got bot. Then it becomes 11. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. I don't know. I'm gonna take the answer. Okay, let's use recursion first. Even if it's not a number, mm-hmm. Num mod 10. So this is adding the digits, right? And then num divided by 10. So that will be the next digit. Oh, this will drop the last digit. Okay, drops the last digit. Ah, so that becomes sum. And if sum is smaller than 10, then you return sum, right? And then else, you return digits of sum. Smart, very, very smart. Very, very smart. Very, very, very smart. You drop a digit and then, yeah, I don't know how I didn't think of that. It's fucking retarded. Okay, let me see the O1 approach. What? Okay, what? Does that actually work? What the number mod 9? This mod 9 will be 2. What? Okay, so it like it's divisible by 9 if all of the digits added together equals to a multiple of 9, right? Add the number of the number, check if the sum is divisible by 9. Yep, yep. Digit root. Fifteen and six. That's pretty insane. That is pretty insane. So this would be like two. This would be four. Wow. Pretty nuts. Pretty nuts. This divided by nine would be what? Would be 273 306加九係310，即係306啦。So it'll be eight. Wow. Okay. Well, learned a new learned a new thing today. Didgeridoo. Divisibility of numbers by nine. Crazy. Very interesting. Well, okay. Let's see if it's. Oh, wait, we tried it. Okay, yeah, actually works. Pretty nuts. Okay, well, that's me. Back to homework. Continue every day. 进步不能停, my friends.